Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Lion's Mane Star Lord. Start by traveling to the Shrouded Grove, find the glowing mushrooms near the stone circle, and equip a lantern and moss knife for careful harvesting. Gather 3 perfect caps without disturbing the mycelium and return to the altar. Arrange the caps in a triangular pattern and perform the ritual, then watch for the bioluminescent bloom that signals success. Approach the grove at dusk when mushroom visibility increases and predators are less active. Move slowly and scan for drifting blue spores that mark safe harvesting spots. Use a moss knife to gently twist each cap from its base rather than pulling, which protects the mycelial network. Collect only the brightest, undamaged caps and store them in a breathable pouch to keep them pristine until you return to perform the ritual at the altar. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also, quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated on long expeditions with a leak-proof spout and double-wall insulation, and it fits most backpacks. It pairs well with field trips and harvesting sessions to keep focus and energy high. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your first attempt fails, calmly reassess and repeat the ritual with fresher caps and a cleaner altar area. Small changes matter. Ensure you place 3 fully luminous caps in a triangle and relight any extinguished candles or lanterns to maintain consistent light. Consider performing the ritual during mild rain for higher humidity if available, as that can encourage a stronger bioluminescent response and improve your chances of summoning the Lion's Mane Star Lord.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.